Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to log in to your Atlantic Bay mortgage account online. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing to do is to open a web browser of your choice. Now, go to the web address bar at the top and type in apply.atlanticbay.com and search. Now, you will get to the sign-in page of Atlantic Bay. You'll need to enter your password and email address to get access to your mortgage account. If you're new to Atlantic Bay Mortgage and you'd like to create a new account, click on the sign up link at the top left and follow through the registration process. To log into your existing account, enter your email address in the text box appearing on the right-hand side. Now enter your account's password on the next field. If you're having trouble remembering your password or your email address, click on Trouble signing in and following through the prompts. Finally, click on Sign In after typing in your details, and you will then be able to log into your Atlantic Bay mortgage account. So that's how it is easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.